Hey everybody, what's going on? This is SacredGuard and welcome back to Let's Play Undertale. And on the last episode, we come back here to the waterfall. Had a little date accident with Undyne, as you can see. And it's time for us to go back to the Hotlands so we can keep going with our adventure. So we just come back here to a little shortcut. Lock here for a ride, yes please. Hotland. Alright. Okay, Tralala, Temi Village. The room before the darkening lantern room. Yeah, I'm guessing, like, you're probably, like, hints and whatever, because I probably would not have known that. Like, if I didn't go to Temi Village the first time, I would not have known that. Come again sometime, okay? Alright. Papyrus and Undyne. Now, because I can be able to call up Undyne, I'm wondering what she might have to say. That's Alphys' house. Hey, why don't we all go over and watch anime? Ooh, yes, please. What kind of anime do you fancy? Do you prefer stuff like maybe High School DxD and Monster Musume, or maybe you're more into stuff that's probably like Gurren Lagann? Because I know a lot of people like really love that. I know some people who are watching this, as soon as they hear this escape my mouth, you are gonna hate me. But I've never actually finished Gurren Lagann. I watched one episode, and then I stopped. Anime? Isn't that a kind of cartoon for small children? Believe me, Papyrus, it's not for small children. Oh my god! Anime isn't just for kids. It's deep. It's emotional. Is the sound a baby makes an emotion? Yeah, 'cause it's how I'm feeling right now. What? I don't get it. Alphys' theme. You're at Alphys' lab. Is she there? Hey, tell her I said hi, okay? And tell me how she's doing. And tell me if she needs anything. And wait, no, don't ask any of that. But she's fine, right? I don't know. Is she still here? That's what I want to know. Is she actually here? No, she's not in the bathroom. Oh, this is her room. What? You're in her room? Get out of there! Unless, she invited you. No way! That did not happen! Stop that! Okay, I also ended up looking at a video that if I call while I'm on this... Yeah, that happens. So apparently that's a thing. Alright, let me get out here, because I have no idea where Alphys is. She's not in her room, she's not in the bathroom doing her business. So, I don't know, not unless she's got like a hidden lab somewhere. Please select location, right floor number 2. So yeah, let's continue on with our adventure, shall we? Hello? Heh, I'm Heat's Flames Man. Remember my name. I should be sure to remember that. Ah, there you are, Sans! Holy crap, I was wondering when I was gonna see you. How many sentry stations do you have? Toasty bun. Okay. I love hot dogs. Hey, isn't it weird there's snow on that guy's roof? Guess he's just too lazy to clean it off. We're in Hotland. How the hell? Why isn't it? Forget it. Just torn up pieces of color construct. Okay, the Temis are weird. The Temis are weird. Very weird. Stat bird pan. Yeah, I have no need for this. Hey, buddy. What's up? Wanna buy a hot dog? It's only 30G? Sure. I'm gonna, like, buy as many as I can, because I need some freaking, like, I actually need more healing items. Thanks, kid. Here's your dog. Yeah, dog. Apostrophe dog. Show up a hot dog. 30G? Here's a hot dog. Another hot dog? Here you go. Oops, I'm actually out of hot dogs. Here, you can have a hot cat instead. Hot dog? Hot dog. Heals 20 HP. The meat is made of something called a water sausage. Oh, it's made from the plant that's back in Toriel's place. Hot cat. Like a hot dog, but with little cat ears on the end. Okay. Oh, it heals 21 HP. One extra. Hot dogs on 30G? Yeah. Another dog. Coming right up. You really like hot animals, don't you? What? Of course not. Don't be silly. I don't like hot animals. Just trust me on this. Shit. Hey, I'm not judging. I'd be out of a job without folks like you. Yeah. Here. Cool. Here's that dog. Apostrophe dog. It's short for apostrophe dog, which is in turn short for. Oh my God, Sans, please. Another one? Okay. Careful. If you eat too many hot dogs, you'll probably get huge like me. Huge as in super popular, I mean. I'm practically a hot dog tycoon now. Oh, sure, not if I, yeah. Yes, please. Here's your dog. Yay. Okay. Thank you. Alright, let's keep going, shall we? Oh. Alphys posted a picture. Dinner with the girlfriend. It's a picture of a cat girl figurine next to a bowl of instant noodles. She must be very lonely even though undying. Oh. Cool Skeleton 95 posted a picture. Oh, that's Papyrus! Are we posting hot pics? Here is me and my cool friend. It's a picture of Papyrus flexing in front of a mirror. He's wearing sunglasses. Giant muscular biceps are pasted onto his arms. The biceps are also wearing sunglasses. Alphys updated status. Lol Cool Skeleton 95. That's a joke, right? I don't know, Alphys. Is it a joke that you're dining with a cat girl figurine? God damn. That's what those really lonely anime junkies do. Cool Skeleton 95 updated. The only joke here is how strong my muscles are. Okay. Oh, Napsta Blook has sent you 22 has sent you a friend request. It's a request, yeah. It seems to have already rejected itself. Aw, Napsta Blook, don't be like that. What's this? There's an apron lying on the ground. Can you take it? Yes, please. What? Oh, right, because I have too many hot dogs. What the? Yeah. Apron lying on the ground, yeah. Stained apron. Stained apron. Armor defense 11. Heals 1 HP every other turn. Ooh. Yes, please. What did that do for me again? What did that do? Increases inv by 9. After you get hurt by an attack, you stay. Okay. I have no idea what we need for those, so let's get going, shall we? Whoa! Oh, that's right. I was gonna say, like, I saw somebody like say something about it, like a secret, and it's apparently it. So, okay, Art Club, meet here. Next meeting, October 10th at 8 p.m. Okay. Now, I'm gonna stop the video real quick. Cause in order for me to actually do this, I would have either had to actually go there on October 10th at 8, but I can actually fix it to where I can be here in general by changing my clock time. So I will actually be right back after I'm done doing that. Okay, I've changed the time, so come here, shall we? Meeting at 8 p.m. What? Okay, October 10th, 8 p.m. Why is it not doing anything? Okay. Uh-oh. Okay, that was stuff. Okay, I guess I can't go there. Oh, you know what? Not unless, like, I save the game and reload it. Let me try again. One more time. It's 8 p.m. Yeah. So yeah, maybe if I start the game over again. So I want to see this. I want to see what this secret is about. So I'm gonna quickly go back. Okay. Again, I will be right back. Okay, so I've been going back and forth inside of there for a good, like, 10 minutes and everything, and nothing seems to have happened, so I'm just gonna keep going on with the game, because... whatever. Okay. Hey, hi! It's dr.alphys. Hey, dr.alphys, how's it going? This puzzle is kinda, timing-based. You see those switches over there? Yeah, you'll have to press all of them within 3 seconds. I can do that. I'll try to help you with the rhythm. I don't think you need to do that. I think I got it. Holy crap. Okay. Yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Alphys! Okay, now press the third one. I just missed it because of you. Hey, looks like you only needed to press 2 of them. Ugh. What? You have to solve a puzzle on the conveyors? Oh man, did I ever tell you my conveyor puzzle idea? Your puzzle ideas? What is it? Imagine 4 basketball hoops on the sides of a conveyor loop. The conveyor keeps speeding up until you get sick. That sounds like one of those, like one of those really fast no, not merry-go-round, but like one of those really fast, like, spinning, attractions that would be, like, on the boardwalk and everything. I actually went on, like, two of them, like, very different times. One when I was, like, a kid. Both times were when I was a kid, but, like, different times. Jeez. I hated it. Then, you have to Ew! Undyne! I hate this, yeah. You have to Ew! Oh, God. Yeah, Papyrus, I'm with you. I hate it, too. Ugh. Okay. Alphys updated status. That's the last time I tried to help with a puzzle, Lamau. Oh. Hey. I'm going to the bathroom, so I'll be MIA for a bit. I'm sure you can handle this puzzle yourself. Okay. Whoa. What? Ah, okay. Okay. I got this. I got this. I got this. Yeah! Haha! So the funny thing is like, I may not end up being that bright about a lot of things, but when it comes to certain, like, puzzles and whatnot, I got it. Yeah! So, Apple's updated status. OMG, people think Mew Mew 2 is better than Mew Mew 1? Lol, that's a joke, right? Knowing the mouse might one day hack the computerized safe and get the cheese, it fills you with determination. There's a piece of cheese inside this computerized laser safe. The lasers have melted the edges of the cheese, stuck to the table. Updating the status. OMG, don't they get it ruins Mew Mew's entire character arc. Updating the status. My Mew Mew 2 review. Mew Mew Kissy Cutie 2 is neither kissy nor cutie. It's trash, 0 stars. Alright, let's just keep going. Hey, you, stop! What? Oh, hey, it's the guys from earlier. We, received an anonymous tip about a human wearing a striped shirt. They told us, they were wandering around Hotland somewhere. I know, sounds scary, huh? Well, just stay chill. We'll bring you someplace safe, okay? Come with us. Huh? What is it, bruh? The shirt they're wearing? What about it? Bro, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Bummer. This is, mega embarrassing. I sound like I'm fucking stoned. We, actually totally have to kill you and stuff? Oh, God! Royal Guard attacks. Oh, is this what Papyrus wanted to be part of? Okay. Royal Guard 1. Check. Royal Guard member with shining polished armor. Alright, team attack. Okay. Whoa. Okay, whoa. Royal Guard 1 stands guard. Check. Guard 2. Royal Guard member with stuffy armor. Okay. Ah! Okay. Ah! Stuffy armor. Clean armor for Royal Guard 2? It's cooling dirt begins to wash away. Okay. Getting warmer. Ah! Oh God! Yo, they hurt! They hurt! That's the first death I've had! You cannot give up just yet. Is this? Who is this? You cannot give up just yet. Come on, stay determined. I'm trying. Ow, that's the first death I've had so far. Holy crap, these guys hurt. Yes, Alphys, I know, it ruins the character arc. Yes. Ah, what the hell? Stop. Yeah. I get it. You're stoned. You're like a stoner, bro. God dang, yeah, they hurt. Okay, clean armor. I know what to do now. I think. Ah. Can't take it. It says stuffy armor, so armor too hot. Oh. Check. Oh. Dude. The other one is they're like freaking he's so nervous. Whisper? You tell Royal Guard 1 to be honest with his feelings. What? Yeah, look at his attacks! His portion of the attacks are failing. Ow. Dude. I can't take this anymore. Not like this. Oh, why I'm getting him a British accent now. Not like this. O2. I like you, bro. Oh God, here we go. Listen to music. The way you fight, the way you talk. I love doing team attacks with you. I love standing here with you, bouncing and waving our weapons in sync. He's talking about their animations. That fourth wall break. Like, oh, too. I want to stay like this forever. I have nothing against it. I'm just completely speechless. Okay. So bisexuality and bisexuality and homosexuality are present in this game. Noted. Okay, like Alphys and well, I don't even know about Undone, but like Alphys's bisexual orientation, like I could deal with that. And then you get this, and it's like, okay then, like you're like going ham. Uh, I mean, like, psych, gotcha, bro. Oh, one. Yeah, bro. Like, what is it? Do you want to get some ice cream after this? Sure, dude. Hey! Okay. Oh, I can spare him. Later, guys. And he somehow got his armor back. Okay, that was interesting. Oh, Alpha's updated status. Oops, wait, how's the human doing? I just got attacked by 2 gay royal guards. A status top 10 shows that make you forget to do your frickin' job. Oh, Alphys, you're so cute. Oh, God. Is this another Metaton sequence? Is this another Metaton sequence? Okay, I'm back. Huh, another dark room, huh? Don't worry. My hacking skills have got things covered. Oh, what? Are you serious? I'm on TV! I'm on TV! Hi, Mom! Oh, God. School canceled over reactivated puzzles. Okay. Alright. Oh, so those girls from before, they'll be happy. Scientist discovers health benefits of using computer. Just kidding. Lol. Yeah, Alphys, there's no health benefits from that. Let me keep reading this before we get started. Local Metaton, very rich, famous, and gorgeous. Okay. Tiny volcano monster tries its best, receives tiny applause. Oh, oh yes! Good evening, beauties and gentle beauties. This is Metaton, reporting live from MTT News. An interesting situation has arisen in Easter Hotland. Fortunately, our correspondent is out there reporting live. Brave correspondent, please find something newsworthy to report. Our 10 wonderful viewers are waiting for you. What's this? It's not like I want to buy these products or anything. Cashier confused. Oh, is that some airplane? There's a basketball. I can report about that. Can I report about the basketball? Basketball's a blast, isn't it, darling? Too bad you can't play with these balls. They're MTT brand fashion basketballs. For wearing, not playing. You can't get rich and famous like moi without beautifying a few orbs. No. Okay, what else is there? It's the frickin' dog! What a sensational opportunity for a story! I can see the headline now. A dog exists somewhere. Frankly, I'm blown away. No. Present? Oh my! It's a present! And it's addressed to you, darling! Aren't you just bursting with excitement? What could be inside? Well, no time like the present to find out. Nah, not this, okay. Oh, hello. What's this? So let me keep looking. A glass of water. Let me... Okay, this. Oh no! That movie script! How'd that get there? It's a super juicy sneak preview of my latest guaranteed not to bomb film. Mettaton the movie. Mettaton the movie, the 28th, starring Mettaton. I've heard that, like the other films, it consists mostly of a single 4-hour shot of rose petals showering on my reclining body. Oh, but that's not confirmed. You wouldn't spoil my movie for everyone with a promotional story, would you? Yes. Attention viewers! Our correspondent has found a movie script! Oh my! And it looks like it's from my latest film! Let's not keep them waiting! Let's open it up and get the scoop! Oh. Whoa! What's that inside the script? That ticking sound! That lit fuse! Oh my! Looks like I was wrong about the movie! It did bomb! The movie bombed! Okay, I get it. We definitely have a box office bomb on our hands. Ah, God. And it's about to blast you to bits! But don't get too excited! You haven't even seen the rest of the room yet! What? Oh, God. Oh! Oh my! It seems everything in this area is actually a bomb! Wait, the what? That dog's a bomb! What? Excuse me? That basketball's a bomb! That I could believe. Even my words are... Oh boy. Brave correspondent! If you don't defuse all of the bombs, this big bomb will blow you to smithereens in 2 minutes. Wait, what? What? But that says 5 minutes! Then you won't be reporting live any longer. What? Wait, how? It says... Never mind. Whatever. How terrible! How disturbing! Our 9 viewers are going to love watching this! Oh, I guess we just lost it. Oh. 10. 9. Good luck, darling! Oh god, okay. Don't worry. I installed a bomb diffusing program on your phone. How would you... What? Use the diffuse option when the bomb is in the defuse zone. How would you... Whatever. Defuse the dog. Okay. Dog defused. Whoa! Keep heading around the room. Try going for the one on the bottom left next. Now. Okay. Okay. That cup. What? There we go. Okay. The extremely agile glass of water. Why is that so fast? Okay. Bottom left. Ah! Defuse the game. Okay. Okay. I got this. I got this. Defuse the script. Great job. There's only one left at top right. That's the present, right? Yeah. Okay, that's all of them. 20 seconds to spare. Well done, darling. You've deactivated all of the bombs. If you didn't deactivate them, the big bomb would have exploded in 2 minutes. Now it won't explode in 2 minutes. Is it gonna explode right now? Instead, it'll explode in 2 seconds. Yep. Goodbye, darling. Ah. It seems the bomb isn't going off. That's because while you were monologuing, That's the typical, that's a trope from like the, from all villains and everything. While they're monologuing, she fucked their shit up. I fix, I change. Oh no! You deactivated the bomb with your hacking skills. She really cannot talk, can she? Yeah, that's what I did. Curses! It seems I've been foiled again. Curse you, human. Curse you, dr.alphys, for helping so much. But I don't curse my 8 wonderful viewers. He is losing viewers by the second. Jeez. Wow, we really showed him, huh? Hey, I know I was kind of weird at first, but I really think I'm getting more confident about guiding you. Aw. So, sorry, it is like 4 a.m. So don't worry about that big dumb robot. I'll protect you from him. And if it really came down to it, we could just turn him off? Never mind. Later. Okay, we could turn him off. But that does sound like an idea. Okay, this isn't doing anything. Let's keep going, shall we? I'm glad Alphys is helping me out. I probably wouldn't be able to get past like some of this stuff. Ooh. We're getting closer and closer to the core. Sheesh. I noticed you've been kind of quiet. Are you worried about meeting Asgore? Maybe he's mute. I actually want to know. Maybe the kid is mute. I don't know. Well, don't worry, okay? The king is a really nice guy. I'm sure you can talk to him, and with your human soul, you can pass through the barrier. So no worry, okay? Just forget about it and smile. Okay. Select location. 4-3. Okay. Things are going good so far. I'm surprised. Okay. Oh. What the hell? It looks like some sort of powerful bracelet. Wait. It's just a croissant. Aww! It's a spider donut. It looks more rubbery than usual. What? Wait, did I ever get one? Welcome to our parlor, dearie. Interested in some spider pastries? All proceeds go to real spiders. Okay. Spider base sale. Proceeds go to real spiders. Buy spider don't. I don't have. What? I don't have that much money. I ended up buying a donut. I didn't want to, but that girl, even though I told her no, she kept staring at me in this creepy way and licking her lips. Now I'm out of cash. I don't have that much money. Wait, did I already buy one? Wait, no. What? It might sound weird that spiders do need donations. But think about it. They have 8 feet. That's 4 pairs of shoes. A spider wearing 4 pairs of pink booties. Meditate on this image. What? Wait. Yeah, I already bought one. Am I gonna need this? I'm probably gonna need this. Oh. Hi, Alphys here. This room is like the room we saw before. There are 2 puzzles to the north and south. You'll have to solve them both to proceed. Also, I'd like to say, I don't really like giving away puzzle solutions. Understandable. But if you need help, just call me, okay? Actually, wait, I have an idea. Let's be friends on Undernet. Then you can just ping me when you need help. We are friends, remember? You... Wait, we're already friends, aren't we? I signed you up, didn't I? You've been reading my post the whole time. Well, I hope you agree with me about Mew Mew 2. Well, I've never watched the first one, so I wouldn't know. Okay, so there's one to the north and south. Let's go to the north first. Okay. Oh, it's this puzzle again. Oh. Hang on. I had the solution for a second. Hang on. Yeah, there we go. See? Okay, I had the solution for a second, then I messed it up. Oh, hello. You guys weren't here before. My fave Metaton moment, right when everything looks the baddest, he poses dramatically. Like when he's on a cooking show and the eggs don't turn out right. My fave Metaton moment is when he beats up the heel-turning villains. Am I supposed to remember this? Even if it's during what's supposed to be a quiz show. What? Then he says, even if you suck at cooking, you can always buy an MTT brand glam burger. Am I supposed to remember this for something? Then he eats one. Everyone loves it. How does he eat without a mouth? Beats up the heel-turning villains. What? Oh, and I like when he tries all kinds of different fashionable outfits, even if it's during the news. Okay, so a glam burger and beating up heel-turning villains. I'm supposed to... It's gonna make me remember this, isn't it? Okay. Next is the one to the south. Okay. Oh boy. Ah! Oh! Yo! Oh, this game! I noticed myself stop for a minute when I hit the menu, but wow! Like, how would I get past that? This doesn't have anything to do with guiding you, but... hey, would you want to watch a human TV show together? Sometime? It's called, Mew Mew Kissy Kitty. I don't mind, sure. Really? It's so good. It's, my favorite show. It's all about this human girl named Mew Mew who did that. Okay, she's going on a rant. Oh, Alphys, you are so adorable. I really think you'd like it. We should watch it after you get through all this. Sure, I don't mind. I would love to watch something with you. Okay. Hey! Alright, that's both. Yeah, I had no... Oh, wait. You stopped to smell the flowers. Okay. Okay, that's it. keep going, shall we? Okay. The smell of cobwebs fills the air. You feel determination. Okay. Okay, this is weird. Yeah, freaking Alphys, like, she's so cute. She stayed wet and ended up going on a rant before I could even read everything she said. Did you hear what they just said? They said a human wearing a striped shirt will come through. I heard that they hate spiders. No, I don't. Well, okay, I don't exactly hate spiders per se. When it comes to, like, monster girls, I don't mind the spider girls. They're not my favorite, but I don't mind them. Now, when it comes to actual spiders, however, just making sure there are actually none around here, because that tends to happen sometimes, I'm not that big of a fan. Like, if they're really small, I don't care, but if it's, like, certain ones, or ones that are noticeable, I don't like them at all. Oh god, I'm slowing down. I heard that they love to stomp on them. Sometimes, maybe. I heard that they like to tear their legs off. I did that once when I was a kid. I'm getting slower and slower. Slower and slower. I heard... Oh god, I can't move. I can't move. Uh-oh. That they're awfully stingy with their money. Yeah, how the hell was I gonna be able to buy your stuff when you're selling it for like the maximum amount of money that I could probably have in this game? If I could get it. You think your taste is too refined for our pastries, don't you, dearie? No, I have one in my pocket. I disagree with that notion. I think your taste is exactly what this next batch needs. Uh-oh. Oh god, no. Oh god. Muffet traps you. Muffet. Oh, her name! Like that old little nursery rhyme. Little Miss Muffet sat on her tuffet, eating her curds and whey, or something like that. Oh, this song, Spider Dance is what it was called, if I recall correctly. I actually like this one. Okay, Muffet traps you. Okay. Now, I'm thinking that if I use the spider donut, something might happen, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm actually gonna see what happens. Check. Muffet, it attacks zero defense. If she invites you to her parlor, excuse yourself. Yeah. Don't look so blue, my dearie. Oh god, no, what are you doing? What are you doing? What the? I think purple is a better look on you. What the hell? Oh, I'm moving like on a line. Okay. You're trapped in a strange purple web. Up next, something. At least the game is giving me a hint as like what she's gonna do. Okay, I'll save the spider donut if like things get too difficult for me. Spare. Why so pale? You should be proud. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Muffet pours you a cup of spiders. Please, no. Proud that you're going to make a delicious cake. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think I got this. Up next, double spiders. Let me see what the pay thing does. Pay. You pay 10G. Muffet reduces their attack for this turn. Okay. Let you go. Don't be silly. Oh. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Spider and something. Muffet ties up the web around you. Your soul is going to make every spider very happy. Okay. Whoa! Whoa, jeez. Whoa. Dude! I don't know what that is. A cupcake, maybe? Oh, how rude of me. I almost forgot to introduce you to my pet. What? It's breakfast time, isn't it? Have fun, you two. What? Whoa! Okay. 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 Oh, jeez! What the f... Whoa! Oh, jeez. Oh, okay. Okay. Muppet, let's calm down here. All the spiders clap along to the music. Okay. I'm guessing those are like donuts. Spider donuts. The person who warned us about you. Oh. Ah. Okay. Offered us a lot of money for your soul. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Okay, they're getting faster now. They're getting really fast. He had such a sweet smile and... Oh! What the hell? I guess that's the croissant. Oh god, now I have to pay 40, really? Made 40G will reduce their attack for this turn. It's strange, but I swore I saw them in the shadows. Changing shape? Who are you talking about? Okay. Okay. Yeah, I got this. I got this. Oh god, here we go again. I'll pay just in case. God, I'm paying so much. I'm losing so much money, but holy crap, I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. Ooh, it's lunchtime, isn't it? I forgot to feed my pet. Oh, jeez. Okay. Okay. Muppet, let's calm down here. Let's calm down. Let's talk about this like rational adults. Or an adult to a child. I have no idea how old you are. Okay. Oh, jeez. Okay. Ah. 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 No. Darn it! Okay. With that money, the spider clans can finally be reunited. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Double donuts. Muppet does a synchronized dance with the other spiders. I can only imagine how this looks. You haven't heard? Spiders have been trapped in the ruins for generations. Double croissants, okay. Even if they go into the door, Snowden's fatal code is impassable alone. Okay. Okay. Oh boy. But with the money from your soul, we'll be able to rent them a heated limo. She is very goal-oriented. Oh my god! I'm losing so much money. What the hell? Fuck it. I'll tough it out. I'll tough it out. And with all the leftovers, we could have a nice vacation. Or even build a spider baseball field. Okay. Da! Oh god, here we go again. I'll hit the hot dog. Let's go. But enough of that. It's time for dinner, isn't it? Okay. Come on! Ah! Okay, I'm starting to fail. I'm starting to fail. I'm starting to fail. I got 11 HP left. Come on. Tough it out. Tough it out, Bond. Stay determined. Oh, God. Survive, survive, survive. Oh. You're still alive? Oh, my pet. It looks like it's time for dessert. Please, no. A telegram from the spiders in the ruins. What? They're saying that they saw you and you helped donate to their cause. Oh my, this has all been a big misunderstanding. I thought that you were someone that hated spiders. The person who asked for that soul, they must have meant a different human in a striped shirt. Sorry for all the trouble. I'll make it up to you. You can come back here anytime, and for no charge at all. I'll wrap you up and let you play with my pet again, please. No, 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 no. Just kidding. I'll spare you now. Oh. What are you doing? I have a spider on it. Huh? Where did you get that? Did you steal it? Oh, my pet. It's time to show them what we do with thieves. What? Oh! Oh, okay. Whoever inspired from the ruins, he said, saw you donate to their cause. Oh, it restarted the dialogue. Okay. So that's what happens. And I get no gold. I spent all that gold and I get nothing back. Fuck you, Muffet. That was fun. See you again, dearie. Yeah, let's not. Let's not and say we didn't. Oh my god. Now what? Now what? Actually, no. No. I'm going. Oh, hi. There you are, dearie. You're always welcome in my parlor. Just stay on your best behavior. Yeah. Yeah. I kinda don't want to see you at all. Cause holy shit. Yeah, let's just go back here and quickly save, cause god damn. Ugh. Ugh. God damn. That was actually a tough battle. I was doing fine so far, and then everything had to speed up. Anyway, I'm guessing that what's gonna come up next has to do with Mettaton. So, next time on Undertale, we'll continue going to the Hotlands, try to get to the core, and then meet Asgore. I'll see you guys then. Oh, jeez.